See here, the topic is alligation or mixture. What are the words or terminology we'll use in this topic? Alligation, mixture, cheaper price, dear price or higher price, mean price. Here dearer price or higher price, both are same. Okay. Now here instead of price we may talk about concentration, low concentration, high concentration, required concentration. It means in terms of percentages. Okay, we'll see. Alligation. What is alligation? It is a rule that enables us to find the ratio in which two or more ingredients at the given price must be mixed to produce of a desired price. Okay, here we are talking about price. Sometimes we need to talk about concentration. Instead of price we will use concentration. Now here we use that cheaper price or lower concentration. Concentration means percentage, lower percentage. Dearer price or higher price, higher percentage, higher concentration. If it is given in liquid, we will use in percentage concept. If it is given mixtures like rice, sugar kind of stuff, we will talk about prices. Okay. Mean price. What is mean price? The mean price is nothing but the cost price of a unit quantity of the mixture is called the mean price. Okay, it means how much per unit it cost. That is what mean price. Nothing but average price. Mean price is nothing but an average price. Let us see one example. Let us take two varieties of rice, A and B. Let us say 1 kg of A costs 10 rupees and 1 kg of B costs 20 rupees. Now we want to add these two, okay, in order to get the mixture as 12 rupees. We have to mix these two. So in what ratio we have to mix? Okay, we will mix 1 kg of A. What happens? 1 into 10, and 1 kg of B is 1 into 20 divided by 2, because the total 2 kgs. The total price is 30 by 2, which is equals to 15. If this is the case, I am getting 15 rupees, but I want to get 12 rupees. How will you do this? In general process, what we do is, let us say x kg of A. X kg of A. So 1 kg of A costs how much? 10 rupees. So x kg of A will cost how much? 10x rupees, because 1 kg 10 rupees, 2 kg 20 rupees, 3 kg 30 rupees. So x kg is 10x rupees. Similarly, assume that we are taking y kg of B. 1 kg of B cost how much? 20 rupees. So 2 kg 40, 3 kg 20, 3 into 20. So y kg y into 20, that is nothing but 20y. Total how many kgs is there? X plus y, because A is x kg and B is y kg. We want to get how much price? 12 rupees, the mean price. On simplification, let us do cross multiply. 10x plus 20y equivalents to 12x plus 12y. If you bring 12y to the left hand side, take this 12y to the left hand side, it becomes minus 12y. 20y minus 12y, which is 8y. Send this 10x to the right hand side. Plus 10x will become minus 10x. 12x minus 10x, which is equivalent to 2x. So y by x, which is equals to 2 by 8. Sending this x to the left hand side, 8 to the right hand side. So which is equals to, you're getting 1 by 4. It means we have to mix in the ratio y is to y by x is how much? 1 by 4. If you're taking y 1 kg, x have to take 4 kg. Let us see example here. Let us take an example. 1 kg if you take y, you're taking y is what? B. 1 kg of B costs how much? 20 rupees. 1 kg of y, this is B. Now you want to get x. Okay, x means what? A. Per kg how much? 10 rupees. 4 kg will become 40 rupees. So the total weight is nothing but 5. 60 by 5, which is equals to 12 rupees. So if they ask you x by y, you have to write 4:1. It depends. In the exam they may ask y is to x or x is to y. If you suppose they say that 2 kg of y, let us say 2 kg of y. If y is to, in this case let us say if y is to, x will be 8. What happens? 2 into 20 plus 8 into 10, because we're taking y is 2, then x will become automatically 8, because in this ratio we have to add, divided by 10. 2 into 20 how much? 40. 8 into 10 how much? 80. 40 plus 80, which is 120. 120 by 10, which is equals to 12. We're getting 12 rupees. If you want to get a mixture of 15, all kind of stuff, this is a lengthy process. In order to get the ratio, the simple method we're going to use is alligation and mixture. This is a lengthy process. By using this concept, how we can do? See here, A is how much? Cheaper price, A 10, B is higher price, which is 20. What is the price required for us? 12 rupees mean price. Simple, deduct this. 20 minus 12 is how much? 8. What is the difference between these two? 2. In what ratio we have to add? 4:1. A 4 kgs, B 1 kg. A 8 kgs, B 2 kgs. So 4:1. Straight away we are getting 4:1. Is it clear? This is the advantage of using alligation and mixture. By using alligation mixture, we can straight away find the ratio. In what ratio we have to mix in order to get this price. Okay, let us see the examples. Here, what is the rule? Rule of alligation. If two ingredients are mixed, then quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer equals to dearer means higher price minus mean price divided by mean price minus cheaper price. If it is concentration, higher concentration minus required concentration divided by required concentration minus lower concentration. So this is the format we will use while solving alligation and mixtures. Okay, we will see example. Here, in what ratio must rice at 9 rupee 30 paise per kg be mixed with at 10 rupee 80 paise per kg so that the mixture worth 10 rupees per kg? Now what is cheaper price here? 9 rupee 30 paise. Simply 9 rupee 30, 9.30. And what is the higher price, dear price? 10.80. Now what is the mean price required? 10 rupees. So in what ratio we have to mix? Simply take the difference. What is the difference between 10.8 and 10? Which is 0.8. What is the difference between 10 and 9.30? Which is 0.70. Simply the ratio we have to take. What is the ratio we'll get? 8 by 7. 0.8 by 0.7 is nothing but 8 by 7. That's all. That is an answer. Now how much water? Here he is asking how much water must be added to 60 liters of milk at 1 liter per 20 rupees so as to have a mixture worth 10 rupees a liter. What is the given here? The higher price. Higher price is how much? 20. Now what we are adding? Water we have to add. What is the water price? We assume that water price as 0. Generally we consider whatever the water they are adding, if the price is 0. Okay. What is the resultant price of a mixture? Mixture 10 rupees. So in what ratio we have to add? See, this is milk and this is water. Now 10 rupees. This is the mean price. What is the difference? Difference between 20 and 10 is 10, and difference between 10 and 0 is 10. So in what ratio we have to add? 1:1. So this milk, how many liters are adding? 60 liters is there. So one part is 60. Water is also adding one part, which is 60. So we have to add 60 liters of water. So this is an answer.